Hi, I'm Ryan Noakes. I saw your posting on Upwork and I wanted to make you a quick video. I wanted to show you a few things. I mocked this up just briefly based off of some of the requests that you had, just to show you some of the kind of work that I can do. And so you had asked here, I've got this pulled up on my other screen. You can see, I can see that you wanted to kind of pull together a series of dashboards using the story feature. You wanted to look at year over year changes. So you'll see this one here. I've got this broken out like by product category and subcategory. Then you can see very quickly like who's up in green, who's down in red. Those that are down, I've showed you by how much. So we can see there's a lot of people there's a lot of categories down in office supplies. And then of those, scissors makes up the smallest category, but is down the most year to date, year over year. So that would be like, January 1 to April 24th of this year versus January 1 to April 24th of last year. So that's one approach, right, to answering some of the things that you want. Then, as we go in and we look at some specific trends in our story here, let's see if looking here at some specific trends, we see some interesting things. For example, let's take this one. Let's take envelopes. So if we can drill in here, we can see the trend. They're down 27% year over year. That's surprising. And yet we can see that, there was a big spike here, towards the end of the year, but we started enough of the year flat enough or depressed enough that we are still down comparatively. So, and then if we mouse over though, we can say, hey, in September 2020, just as an example, this is just kind of dummy data, there were 335 orders in the labels product subcategory, which is a 341% change from the same month last year. So versus September of 2019, we're up 340%. Okay, but then when we look at October, hey, now we're down 14% versus last. So one approach, certainly not the only approach to answering this, but just kind of showing you what's possible and how to kind of look at things, some of the interactivity here at Tableau using story points. You also asked to see the top 10 and bottom 10. So here I'm showing in the same view, here are your top 10 cities and here are your bottom 10 cities. And here I'll move my face here a little bit. You'll see that Anchorage, Alaska at 567 is 10 times more than the bottom cities. So that's, all looking at year to date. So just a few examples of some things that are possible here in Tableau. I've been using the software for 11 years. I can make it do all kinds of things. And I would love to work on your project. So if you're interested, please contact me and I'm happy to get this started for you. Thanks. Have a great day.